What's going on, guys? Once again, we are in the Audi. Like I said, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see I had a stack of parts already, and well, they're not all here yet. But anyways, what we do have, if you didn't have, if you didn't have the last video, if you didn't see the last video, I'll link that up here somewhere. We did headlights and fender lights. Today we're gonna do the head unit because obviously this is from 05 and it's horrible. It's not horrible, it's not a new one, so if that makes any sense. So I like running Android Auto. I have it in my work truck, my wife's Jeep, pretty much I run Android Auto. I love it. So I got a double din that has Android Auto. Hopefully it works in this car. So I actually this is the head unit here. Yes, I ordered it from Amazon, so we'll see if this works. And all this here is the dash install kit that I actually ordered from Walmart. It was on Walmart's site, but it's not like you can't go to Walmart and buy it. I don't think it's sold by someone else, but it's all Metra stuff, which I've seen online as well, but it was more expensive, so I ordered it through Walmart. And hopefully, like this is Audi specific stuff here. Hopefully makes the install a lot easier. I know back in the day I used to I actually had the same head unit in like all my cars that was in the Titan. Sold it with the Titan. But anyways, I just cut the wires and, you know, test them on each one, and when they worked, that's when it got hooked up. Hopefully this makes it a lot easier and I don't have to do that. Should literally just, you know, hook the right wires up and be done. But anyway, I have a feeling the wiring behind here is a nightmare, and the only reason why I say that is because the person that I bought this car from, ignore those, actually already had the keys for the head unit. Yes, Audis take keys. These keys go, there's a hole here, I don't know if you guys can see that, one on the top right and then bottom right, bottom left. You have to stick all these keys in, all four of these, to release, and then you can pull it out. It's a big pain in the butt, but whatever, it is what it is. Saved me about $5–10 bucks, so that's good. Yeah, I guess I'm done talking. The only tools I should need are, I shouldn't need these because everything's already pre-stripped, but who knows. And then I just got some heat shrink because everyone knows I suck at wiring, and I just twist them together and put heat shrink on them. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so I pulled those out. They were mother effer, some of them, but alright, so I have it resting on the shifter there and my knee, but literally just unhook all those, toss this aside, and then I'll catch back up with you guys in a sec. As you see, I got it out. I shouldn't need this anymore, so I'm going to set it on the passenger floor. These are both, I believe, both antennas. I don't know if I can use this one again. I don't know if I got the right thing. We'll see. Anyway, and then all three of those, both these plugs here, which will be the two black ones up here, this one and that one, and then the red one that's actually brown, but it'll go into this red one. And then off of those is everything that I need. I hope I didn't need that piece that I just dropped. I probably do though. Stand by, because I'm gonna plug these in, and I don't really know where to set you guys. I can't find my suction cup to put you up here on the sunroof, so you're just gonna have to be turned off every time I do something. Sorry. Alright, so looking at these, I totally screwed up and I apologize. You see how this black plug is has the pin things on both sides to disconnect it, and then this one only has the one on here, and the brown one only has one over there. That one goes in here because they only have it on this side. So if you look into that brown one, see how there's 4 in the center, and then that one right there, there's 4 in the center on the bottom there. That top one only has 3. and this guy has 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so I'm looking at this. This top one's fine. That's the one that the brown one goes in. But the bottom one, like, this is how it's gonna get plugged in. You guys see, I've got 2 on the right side there, top and bottom, which those ones are fine. That's ground. Is the bottom one. I think it's ground. Yeah. And then top is constant 12 volt. I don't know if you guys can see it on there, but it's actually on there. And then there's 2 more on the bottom, and that's it. I know this one goes in there, but if you look at this plug, you got 2 on the left. Hold on a second. I think I'm saying this wrong. Let me... Hold on. Car wiring always ticks me off. Anyway, so this plug's gonna go like this. So I'll have the 2 on the right, and then 3 along the bottom, all over on that side. So your top one is your constant battery, the bottom one is the ground, which is correct to this. I'm almost 100% sure that red and blue is power and the brown is ground, so that's fine. But then there ain't nothing across there except for there and there. So these 2 are gonna be nothing. And I don't know if I should freaking move those pins on this to go to those or not. Alright, so I found a little wiring diagram here online. I just hope to God it's right. This one's actually for a 96 A6, but the pins are the same. You guys aren't going to be able to see this from my phone, but I just plugged them in the way they are. I got some shit that's not going to work and whatever. Anyway, so that kit also came with, for the antenna, this thing here, which just this end here plugs into that. All right, so we're gonna work on putting the cage around here. This should be freaking fun, because check out my instructions. They're kind of looks like somebody ate them before they put them in the packaging, so this will be cool. I know I don't need this little thing, because I'm putting in a double din, so that goes down there. Same thing with this, I'm assuming it goes down there. This is what I'll need. I wonder if that sumbitch just slide right in there, or if I actually need this crap here. Let me try to read these instructions. Like I said, if you guys want like a how-to on how to do this, check out someone else's video, because I'm not really telling you guys how to do anything or what the hell I'm doing. I'm just doing it. All right, so those instructions were complete dog shit. So I just kind of figured it out on my own here. That big piece that I had, I popped this surround out, and it literally, I don't know if you guys can see in there or not, it literally clips right around here. So I just shoved it in there like that. It's in there. Now I'm gonna open up the son of a gun. Anyways, I'm gonna open up the head unit, and we'll go from there, I guess. Alright, so here we have the instructions on what left does. Shouldn't be too hard then. We have the steering wheel controls. You guys can't see shit. Anyway, the only thing that I'm going to need to figure out is what these go to. I should stop working on cars and just pay people to do this shit. But what's the fun in that, right? Anyway, I'm going to start effing crap up. So, yeah. Let's see what happens. What I'm gonna do is, these ones are labeled, and it also shows me right there. And then on these ones, it's also labeled, but you guys can't see it, but trust me, it is. So I'm just gonna start putting them together, and then we'll see what happens. I have a feeling this isn't gonna work, and I'm just gonna get mad and have to carry a Bluetooth speaker around with me, because I'm not going to be able to use my radio. So yeah, watch me fuck this up. Got pretty much everything wired up except for these 2 greens are a rear speaker and the purple are rear speaker, and the reason why I didn't hook those up is because the purple and green are these instead. So I I don't really know what to do with those. I don't know if I should cut those off and just wire them in. It's probably not a good idea, I know, but I don't really know what else to do. Maybe do that. I honestly don't know, because I don't believe that I can hook these in doing the backup camera crap right now, because I don't really need it. It's a damn car, for one, and for two, if you guys have ever seen the trunk of a Audi, you literally have the release handle and then 2 lights, and there's really no room for anything else, so I don't know where I would put the damn thing anyway. So yeah, that's staying out right now. Yeah, alright, I'm gonna grab out this head unit here, throw it in, plug all this in, and hope to God she works. So stand by. Alright guys, so I actually got it figured out, sort of. I'm playing my last video because I can't play the radio for copyright reasons, but check it out, she works.
What's going on, guys? So today
but anyway, let me turn this down here. So I ended up hooking the 2 right here into the in and out right there. The other ones, I don't freaking know what to do with it. So I'm gonna shove them in there and hope that nothing happens. Like I said, I'm not hooking up that yet. I wonder if these work. Nope, just like I thought they wouldn't work. All the speakers work so far that I can tell. And
obviously, you turn them on and then you can off and back on.
Sweet. Right now, I'm gonna put this back in and hope that it doesn't fall out. If it does, I'm gonna have to figure out how to use these little things here to hold it in, because I'm not smart. So there's that. But anyways, it doesn't look like there's much inside there to do it with. But alright, so I'm gonna shut this off real quick, and I'll be right back with you guys. As usual, I didn't do it right, and I still have parts left over. You know how that is. So this piece fits perfect around. Yeah, and then so it says that it fits a 7-inch. This is a 7-inch. So this is the one that came with the head unit. Like, ain't no way that's fitting in there at all. And then this is the one that come with the dash install kit. This one's a little closer, but like, it just isn't quite gonna work. I mean, it'll be close, but for now, since I know I gotta take it back out, this will be fine. Like I said, I just won't have the rear speakers on yet, hooked up yet, because I don't really know why the amp's always on. So far, it all seems to work. I mean, I don't know for sure because I'm an idiot. So let's see. I'll play the radio for a couple seconds. I should be okay. Just trying to find a good channel right now. So this is a channel that I normally listen to when I'm not listening to Sirius XM, which I'll be able to now. So front speakers only for now. Like I said, I'm gonna go grab a Bluetooth. Bluetooth. Damn, a USB. Plug it into my phone, make sure Android Auto works. Catch right back up with you guys in a sec. Alright, so I got my USB, plugged it into my phone. As you can see, it is charging very slowly, but charging nonetheless. So let's see if Android Auto works on this side. Okay, there we go. That screen is friggin' normal. But hey, it works. I'll have to figure out the... Turn on Octane real quick. Works. So I need to get into the settings in this thing real quick. Figure out. Alright, so it's not... Yeah, there we go. Actually, I could leave the brightness up. I think it's the contrast. Turn that shiz all the way down. Saturation, I don't know what the heck that means. Hue, I don't know what that means either. VCOM, no idea what that means, so let's see if this looks any better. Ah. Yeah, I mean, it looks a little better. I don't know what saturation means. I don't think it changed anything. Whatever, we'll keep it at 50. Hue. It doesn't look like it's changing nothing either. Whatever, we'll keep her at 50. I don't know what the heck that means. I'm gonna leave that alone too. Anyway, let me turn this off real quick. So there you have it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it wasn't a whole lot of fun for you guys probably, because I couldn't really film much because I have nowhere to put you guys in here. I could have put you on the armrest like that, but I probably would have knocked you over. So anyway, next mod, sort of, maybe done ish, kind of. Anyway, yeah, like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.